Mechanics, oldest of the physical science. Archimedes 287 to 212 BC, principle of the lever and buoyancy. Mechanics is the branch of the physical science that is concerned with the state of rest or motion of bodies subjected to the action of forces. Rigid body mechanics ME101, इसमें आता है स्टैटिक्स एंड डायनामिक्स. डिफॉर्मेबल बॉडी मैकेनिक्स एंड फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स. पहले हम बात करेंगे रिजिड बॉडी मैकेनिक्स. A basics requirement for the study of the mechanics of deformable bodies and the mechanics of fluid advanced courses. Essential for the design and analysis of many types of structural members, mechanical component, electrical devices, etc. encountered in the engineering. एक पॉइंट, a rigid body does not deform under load. Rigid body mechanics. First is statics, deals with the equilibrium of bodies under action of forces. Body may be either at rest or move with a constant velocity. जैसे कि ये एक लड़का बैठा है चेयर पे, यहाँ से भी फोर्स लग रही है, पीछे से भी और नीचे से भी. नीचे से ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स लग रहा है और साइड से. और जैसे कि ये यहाँ पर ये क्रेन है, यहाँ भी ये लोड लग रहा है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, और ऊपर से लग रहा है लोड का फोर्स. अब हम बात करेंगे डायनामिक मैकेनिज्म. डील्स विथ मोशन ऑफ बॉडी, एक्सलरेटेड मोशन, जैसे कि कार एक एक्सलरेशन के वजह से मूव कर रही है. मैकेनिक्स फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट. लेंथ, स्पेस, needed to the located position of a point in a space, describes size of the physical system and distance geometric properties. Second, time. Measure of the succession of events, basics, quantity in dynamics. Mass, quantity of matter in a body measured of in inertia of body, its resistance to the change in velocity. Fourth, force, represents the action of one body on another, characterized by its magnitude, direction of its action, and its point of applications. Note: force is a vector quantity. Newtonian mechanics. Length, time, and mass are absolute concepts independent of each other. Forced is a derived concept, not independent of other fundamental concept. Acting on a body is related to the mass of the body and the variation of its velocity with time. Force can also occur between bodies that are physically separated. Example: gravitational, electrical, and magnetic forces. Remember, mass is a property of matters that does not change from one location to another. Weight refers to the gravitational attraction of the earth on a body or a quantity of mass. Its magnitude depends upon the elevations at which the mass is located. Note: weight of a body is the gravitational force acting on its idealization. To simplify application of the theory: particle, a body with mass but with dimensional that can be neglected. इस पिक्चर में आपको दिख रहा है कैसे ये अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है सन के रोटेट कर रही है सन के आजू बाजू में. साइज ऑफ द अर्थ इज इनसिग्निफिकेंटली कंपेयर टू द size of the orbits. Earth can be modeled as a particle when studying orbital motion.